The rain had started again soft at first, then heavier, washing the grime from the sidewalks of downtown Chicago. People rushed by, heads down, collars up, minds on meetings, money, or maybe just making it home before the next downpour. Jenna wasn't thinking about any of that. She was sitting on a bench just off Wabash Avenue, clutching a warm sand, which wrapped in foil, her lunch, if she was being honest with herself, and her dinner, if she was being realistic. The deli had forgotten to charge her for the drink, and she'd taken it as a sign that maybe today was turning around. Then she saw him. He sat against the side of a building, soaked to the skin, his eyes vacant but not entirely gone. Just distant, he had a cardboard sign that simply read, "Just hungry, thank you." Jenna hesitated, not because she didn't care, but because she had so little herself. Rent was overdue. She just lost her third job this year, and her last text from her mom read, "Honey, maybe it's time to come home." She looked at the sandwich again, then back at the man. "Hey," she said softly, stepping into the rain. "You hungry?" His eyes blinked up at her, unsure. She knelt beside him, unwrapped the sandwich, tore it in two, and handed him half. His hands shook when he reached for it. "Thank you," he said, voice rough like he'd swallowed gravel. "It's just a sandwich," she replied, but she stayed there for a moment, watching him eat, chewing slowly like it was the best thing he'd tasted in years. Maybe it was, and that's when it happened. A sleek black limo pulled up right in front of them. Jenna stood quickly, stepping aside, assuming she was in someone's way. The door opened, and a man in a tailored navy suit stepped out. He looked like he belonged on magazine covers. Clean, cut, sharp jaw, and the kind of presence that made the world slow down for a second. He didn't look at Jenna at first. He walked straight to the homeless man, crouched down, and touched his shoulder. "Hey, Dad," he said. Jenna froze. The man blinked, eyes wide, sandwich still in hand. "Nathan," the man in the suit smiled, eyes glassy. "Yeah, it's me. I've been looking for you." Jenna felt like she was intruding on something sacred. Nathan helped his father to his feet, steadying him gently. "Let's get you home," he said. "We'll figure it out." Then he turned to Jenna. "I saw what you did," he said, from the car. She shrugged, flustered. "It was just a sandwich." "No," he said, shaking his head. "It wasn't." He pulled a card from his pocket and handed it to her. "Nathan Reeves, founder, Revo Technologies. Come by tomorrow," he said, seriously. "We need more people like you." Before she could protest, the door closed, the limo pulled away, and Jenna was left standing there, in the rain, half a sandwich short, but heart full. The next day, she went to the address on the card, just to see. 3 months later, she was leading a community outreach initiative funded by Revo, teaching coding to underprivileged teens, helping build shelters with dignity baked into the blueprints. She still remembered that moment, that soggy street corner, and that one choice she almost didn't make. Sometimes the smallest act of kindness, one half of one sandwich, is enough to change not one, but 3 lives. And sometimes what we give away comes back to us in ways we never imagined. Moral: kindness doesn't ask what you have, it asks what you're willing to give. And in giving, we often receive far more than we ever expected.